Hey guys, this is Epson Workforce WF2910DWF. I received a question. Someone asked how to print photo from this printer. To print photo, depending on the photo you want to print, first of all, you need to load the particular photo paper. From this printer, you need to make sure the glossy part or the shiny part need to face you. I'm going to remove the A4 paper, then load photo paper. This is 10 by 15 centimeter. So make sure the shiny part need to face you. So load the paper on the center, then bring this close to adjust it. So this is how to load photo paper. And once you've done that, it will ask you to confirm the size of the paper. Previous setting was A4 paper. Scroll down to select change, select OK. Then you scroll to the side, 10 by 15 size. It will show you on the screen paper size, then 10 by 15 or 4 by 6, then you select OK. Paper type, or scroll down to select photo quality, inkjet or glossy. Premium glossy, select OK. Glossy photo paper, so you look on the premium glossy, select OK. Paper setup will be changed to the following: glossy, then you select OK. This photo paper is set on this printer. Now to print photo out, make sure your phone and the printer are connected to the same network. If you are printing from laptop, you also need to make sure the laptop and printer are connected to the same network. To print the photo, go to my file, select my file, then it will show you image, video, document, download. Select image. These are images on my phone. Then select the image you want to print out. This is the image. Then the next thing you need to do to print this out is select three dots, select print, then you scroll down and look for the printer. You wait for the photo to be ready. You can print from this in two ways, using this app or printing from Epson Smart Panel. So first of all, we are printing from this app. Then you scroll down and make sure you select the photo 4 by 6. And also we want to print this colored. Scroll down, select colored, and the orientation, select portrait, then you select print. Excuse me. There we go. This is the photo we printed out. Another way to print photo from this printer is for you to go to Epson Smart Panel. Open up Epson Smart Panel. Then you make sure the printer is ready. So select add a printer. And the printer is ready. Then you select the printer. Select OK. Now it will show you the printer image and the ink level. To print photo, then you select print. It will bring out the photo that you want to print out. Select the photo. Select on it. Then select next. The photo is loaded. First of all, you need to change the photo size. Select the settings. Change it 4 by 6. Select done. change it to 4x6, then you select done. Here we go, 4x6, then you select print. Have you loaded the following paper? Then select OK. 4x6, scroll up and select yes. Now it's preparing. Here we go. Here we go. This is the photo paper we printed out, and this is the first one. So I would say the one we printed using Epson Smart Panel app is better when compared to the previous one. This is how to print photo using your mobile phone to this printer. If you're happy with this, please do me a favor, like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you.